Second night in a row, you guys. Another weird storm's coming up. I see a big face right there. Side view. I see an eye, a nose, and a mouth. Wow. I'm just going to keep it focused there for a second because that seems to be where all the activity is coming from for the most part. Wow, it's so cool out here right now. It's been, wow, yeah, look at that. Purple. It's been so hot here. And this is like, right now it's probably 70 something degrees. It's really weird. I'm hearing thunder all around me, but the majority of the clouds are pointed over that way. But I'm hearing thunder behind me and to the left and right of me. Strange. The thunder's coming over from this way. Well, I guess it is cloudy all over there. Oh, okay. Yeah. It is. Whoa. Oh, let me point it over here for a second. Oh, I see a big face there. 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And a tongue out. It looks like... Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's wild. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Wow. It's weird that it's making that design on my phone like that. Y'all see that? That's crazy. Huh. Wow. Crazy. Wow. I know that if I take a break, because I want to show y'all something. Whoa! Wow! I want to show y'all something, but I know as soon as I turn my phone away to show it, then that's when it's really going to be a vibrant lightning. Fear of missing out. So I'm just going to hang tight just for a moment, then I'll show y'all guys, show you guys, because it's wild. If it's happening tonight, it doesn't happen every night. And y'all just wait and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And if it's not happening, I'll still tell you what I was referring to. I see a face. Sort of in that, yeah, I see a face in that cloud. I'm always seeing faces in these clouds. Always, always. They're always there. Alien faces. Skull faces. Ooh. That was perfect timing. What else have I seen? Oh, dragon faces. Whole dragon bodies. You guys, I kid you not. It's been up there and I have filmed it. I've got proof of it. It's on my channel. There's a dragon with a curly like tail thing on the cover of it. Wow. Look how purple that is. Yeah. Never in my life, in all the years that I've been living, have I ever seen storms like this. And let me correct myself on something that I should have said in my last video regarding the thunderstorm. you know, I was pretty much strictly just saying that it's cloud seeding and man-made weather. But let me just go a step further with that. Yes, I believe that that is involved, but I believe that there's something much bigger at play going on here. We know a lot of the people in the government and the higher-ups are devil worshippers, and they're real big into witchcraft, sacrifice, you know, casting spells on people and things of that nature. So, with that being said, I believe that there is, you know, evil spirits working in conjunction with this. High-tech, man-made, evil spirits, all working in conjunction together. So yeah, I wanted to clarify that because I really should have said that last time, but I'm left that part out. All right. I know as soon as I turn away, it's gonna do something vibrant, but I just want to see if it's happening tonight. A lot of times in these lightning storms, it'll do it. I'm gonna try to zoom in as far as I can because I want y'all to see this. Oh yeah, there it is. Do y'all see the tree moving with the little lights all in it? Those little lights are not coming from like the street lights or anything like that. Look, let me try to zoom out a little bit because that's kind of blurry. Well, shoot, I can't get it to come in focus. Oh no, what happened? There we go. Sorry, let me start over. I'm trying to get it as close as I can. Gosh, it just keeps going blurry no matter what I do. It's like, oh no, you're not going to show us. Alright, look, this is in a complete dark area. There's no light there. Look at it twinkling. This whole tree is, these whole trees are moving, you guys. The entire tree. Now, I'm not talking about it's getting up and walking around. That's not what I'm talking about. Look. Look at all that, those little lights. And it hadn't been raining, so that's not raindrops on there. This happens almost every time there's a lightning storm coming up. Not always. I've caught these things doing it when there's not been lightning storms around, but for the most part. Oh, I wish that would come out better, you guys. Hold on, let me try one more thing. Alright, look at my tree. This is my tree in my yard. It's not windy, it's not anything. The whole tree is moving on its own. And those little lights, see those little lights glistening and lighting up all over the place? Those little bitty dot lights, that's not coming from anything other than this nanotech that keeps, look at it all up there. Look, oh my gosh, there's a big old, Okay, now the wind's blowing. Now the wind's blowing. That's my neighbor's house. That's their light, so I'm not talking about that. But there's no lights behind this right here. Absolutely no lights. Okay, now the wind has stopped. No, there it goes again. Of course. Just hold on. Oh. Hold on, you guys. Alright, you guys, look at those trees over there. You see all those little bitty lights all in it? That is wild. And it happens. Wow. But I want to point it up to the sky for a minute because it's starting to lightning really weird again. I want to try to catch it. My tree right there is got all the lights in it too. If I was to zoom in, y'all would see it. You can't see it, it's dark. Wow. Whoa. What is that going across the sky? Hmm. Wow, look at the color of the sky over there. That's wild. Look at that. That's insane. Wow. That don't even make sense. That's crazy. Oh no, I think it's starting to rain. Yep. Okay, I'm going in, unfortunately. Dang it. I wanted to catch some more, but no, it's raining. Alright, you guys. Look at that over there once again. That's wild. Alright, I'm going in. Y'all take care. Be safe. Love you guys, and God bless. Bye.